Hello, children. How are you? Hope all of you are fine at home and keep studying. So, as you can see in this picture, you can see the different parts of our skeletal system is shown here. So, one by one, today we will study about the main parts of our skeletal system. So, let's start. Our first part of the skeletal system is a skull. A skull is made up of 8 flat bones, and these 8 flat bones are fused together so well that it seems to be a single bone, and it protects the main parts of our body, the most important part of our body, which is known as brain. You know that the brain control all activities of us. Whatever we think, do, each and everything is controlled by the brain. It is very soft and delicate and protected inside the skull. A skull is also made up of two jaws, upper jaw and lower jaw. Only lower jaw is movable. We can laugh, speak, we can smile, chew the food by help of our lower jaw. Next, you can see our backbone or vertebral column. Our backbone or vertebral column is made up of 33 small bones. And in between these 33 bones, there is hollow space and our spinal cord pass through it. And spinal cord, you know the function of spinal cord. It receives message from sense organ and give it to brain. Again, it receive command from the brain and give it to different organs. So sending and receiving the message is the main function of spinal cord. Why the backbone is made up of so many small bones? Backbone is made up of so many small bones to give flexibility to our body so that we can move our body up and down and side by side. We can move our body in so many postures during the yoga and MPT due to having flexible backbone. Now next part of the skeletal system is rib cage. Rib cage is made up of 12 pairs of ribs, and two vital organs of our body, which is very delicate, are protected inside the rib cage: our lungs and heart. The last two pairs of rib cage Last two pairs of ribs of rib cage is only attached with the backbone, but it is not attached with breastbone. These last two pairs of ribs are known as floating ribs. Next part of the skeletal system are our forelimbs and hind limbs. As you can see in picture, forelimbs, the upper part of the forelimbs or arm is made up of single bone, and the lower part of the forelimbs are made up of two bones. Our wrist, palm and fingers are made up of so many small bones. Like that, you can see hind limbs. The upper part of the hind limb is made up of single bone, and the lower parts of the hind limbs are made up of two bones. And the upper part of the hind limb is the longest bone of our body and it is also known as femur. So, femur is attached with the lower part of the leg at the place of knee. Again, our ankle and toes are made up of so many small bones. So children, I think all of you have been understood about the different parts of the skeletal system. So have a nice day. Thank you.